Shalom, my name is Adam Wasser from New York. God bless the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth, on her Jubilee, 60 years of reigning on the throne of England. When Queen Elizabeth became queen in 1954, Europe was still going through a renewal. It was going through the change of rebirth after the Holocaust and World War II. Queen Elizabeth, at a young age, took over the throne and brought her people back to a more happier time. She gave the people inspiration and an idea that we could grow and we could stand up and rebuild the nation of England. Many people will say, what is the point of a monarchy in the modern age? I will say that the point of a monarchy is the idea of not only remembering your past, but looking for inspiration in what your country represents and what your country is about. Queen Elizabeth is about England. She is about the idea that England has a past and England has a future. And the idea that no matter what happens, whether it be World War II or devastation of terrorism, that England can overbring itself and bring itself to a righter place. The people that I know of England, fortunately I know many English people, I find them to be strong-willed and opinionated. We don't always agree, and we will have our debates and struggles when it comes to Israel, but I find that the English people are educated, and even though we have our differences, we have common ground in the idea of democracy, freedom, and understanding. Queen Elizabeth is a friend of the Jewish people, and she is a good woman and a good person for England. The English people should be very proud of their monarch, as the American people and people around the world are proud of her. At 87 years old, this woman has gone through many things and many struggles in her life, and she continues to travel the world and spread the idea of democracy, freedom, and love that democracy has for the world. She is an essential part of the idea of freedom because she represents the idea that although there is the past, there is the idea of the future, there is the idea of taking the past and evolving it into something of the future without taking away, without losing our past and heritage. God bless you, Queen Elizabeth, your family, and all that comes from you. On behalf of my family, I wish you nothing but praise, and God bless. Amen.